Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Anil Joshi. Welcomes you to this short presentation. Talking to the patient, he should get the history, and after getting the history, he should implement it to get a better record or to give a better X-ray to the radiologist so that patient can be benefited of the pathologies. Here again, the important fact is the patient's pain. If patient's pain is there, sometimes this X-ray is difficult to take. Now in this projection, what we see is the rotation of the hand also. Then patient need to give the humerus has to be away from the lateral aspect of body. All these things has to be seen before taking X-ray, whether patient is doing all these things, whether there is any painful element in it, or if patient is finding some difficulty, the technique may be modified. Since there are two techniques. The first shows you angulation, which is for the AP. So first line diagram shows you how a AP is taken, and a second diagram shows you how a lateral or axial is taken. By true sense, it is not a lateral, it's axial. So in AP, patient is making 45 degrees, you have seen it. Now if patient cannot make it, then you have to make the angle with the cassette. This we are again and again emphasizing that patient's clinical conditions are important. Here, because patient cannot turn, what we have done is we have elevated the cassette. Makes the same thing. The scapula should be in touch with the cassette in AP. That is the first. And second is axilla. See the relation how they are going. So again the basic principle is maintained. That is the cassette. This is the cassette and the perpendicular ray. This is the CR. Has to be perpendicular to each other. So that the basic principle, thumb rule of radiology, a incident ray has to be perpendicular to cassette is achieved. Now what you see in that, you can see the clavicle, you can see the coracoid process, then acromion process, greater tuberosity, glenoid, humerus and surgical neck. Anatomical neck, surgical neck, both will be seen in this. Now let's see how it is taken on a video. See where is the cassette's position is towards the neck. Now here it is important to pull the cassette as much near neck as possible so that proper head position is maintained. Second, if you are finding patient too much near the table, there is a bolster or pillow given behind so that a proper view of shoulder joint is achieved, because sometimes the tube is slightly higher up and it will be difficult to get a proper projection. That way, elevation of shoulder joint is done with the help of bolster behind the shoulder joint. So that was an axial view. This is the second method by which the same X-rays can be taken. Here the patient is in sitting position. Here we need to have a better stable position so that the for us, it is routine to take patient's position in same way. Here you have to adjust right from the stool height. A stool should be properly heighted so that a cassette and the shoulder joint will not have space in between, and yes, it is correct. Now he has to see that the centering is done over the shoulder joint. So a tube is adjusted, neck is adjusted, and a cassette is pushed as much towards the body as possible. Yes, angulation may be required sometime, but not necessarily all the time. In that, you can get equally good axial projection of shoulder joint. Again, we are showing with a different patient, same technique, how to take a axial. So that is thing you should ask patient whether he has got a painful shoulder joint. Both the videos are well describing how a axial projection is taken. That's fine. Position fine, central ray is well seen, centering is well done, and the X-ray is over. Now you are seeing it here. The advantage of DR, you can immediately see. This we are showing because this is the same patient whose X-rays are taken, and here you are seeing a perfect axial in which a coracoid process, acromion process, head, everything is well seen. What you see here is a coracoid, glenoid, acromion, humerus. Then tuberosities are also well seen. Thank you for watching this video. Now, in case if you need more information, do visit our website. There are more articles, more illustrations, and more informations. The addresses are given. They are just one click away from you.